Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Backdrop CMS on Debian version 11.3. CMS means Content Management System, a software that is used to manage the digital content. Backdrop CMS is a fork of the Drupal project and it is a fully featured PHP content management system. First I will check the OS version. I am used to Debian version 11. Next I will download the Backdrop CMS. The Backdrop CMS download before I needed for the Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP its modules. I have already installed for the Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP. Next I will download the Backdrop CMS using wget command. Next I will extract the download file. Next move to the extract file to the Apache home directory by using the command. Next ownership to the Backdrop directory to be changed using ch1 command. Next change the permission to the Backdrop directory. Next create a virtual host for the Backdrop CMS. Now enter the virtual host server name and the document root directory. Next login into the MariaDB. Enter the password. Next create a database for the Backdrop CMS. Next select the Backdrop database. Next create a username. Next grant all privileges on the Backdrop database. For the user, database name. Next flush the privileges. Make changes apply to the following command. Then exit the MariaDB database. Next enter the virtual host name. Then save and exit. Next, disable the default virtual host file of the Apache. Next, enable the virtual host by using the command. Next, enable the read-write module for the Apache. Next, restart the Apache web server using systemctl command. Then go to the browser and ping the domain. Now ping the server name or IP address in browser. Now configure the database. Now choose the language and save and continue. Next, configure the database and enter the database name. Enter the database username. Enter the database password and save and continue. This is the configure site of the page. Next, enter the email address. Next, enter the password. Then save and continue. By the process of the installation of Backdrop CMS of Debian version 11.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.